Hi, this is Kapil Yadav from group number of 486, and today we are going to talk about the communication skills in providing the family planning counseling, and also we will talk about the lactational amenorrhea method. So first of all, the communication skills is really very essential for to providing quality family planning service. Currently, most of the services providers do not have the skills to provide the family planning counseling. So the types of client seeking counseling in family planning. Clients seek counseling sessions for various needs. During these sessions, various other health informations are also shout. The information situation is very the in which family planning counseling is usually practiced are in various points. First, the married couple seeking information and help for the first time. Second, the counseling, the continuing client. When the client is continuing client, it is important to correct check usage time for producing supplies of contraceptives, protection, changes of IUD implant, time for the next shot of injection contraceptive, etc. If a client wants to try out other method, tell the client about the other method again and help the client to get out the situation and which is suitable method for the client, for the patient. Remembering, but also remember, changing method is not bad, and it's normal. So no one really can decide on a method trying it. Also, a person's situation may change, whereby another method may become more suitable. And the third, pre-material counseling. People wanting to know exactly what will happen when they are married and about contraceptions. And then we will tell the counseling the client for termination of pregnancy. When patient come for MTP, counseling involves dealing with their fears about the procedure, exception, and pain. Then counseling adolescents and youth. Adolescents need a special approach, as this is period when they are discovering their sexuality, feeling curious, and at the same time embarrassed about many areas of sexual functions. And now we are going to talk about the LAM, which is lactational amenorrhea method. So first of all, what is lactation amenorrhea method? Lactational amenorrhea method is a modern temporary family planning method that has been developed as a tool to help and support both breastfeeding and family planning use. It is based on the natural infertility resulting from certain patterns of breastfeeding. Lactational means related to the breastfeeding. Amenorrhea means not having menstrual bleeding, and method means a technique for contraceptions. Uh, LAMP is defined by the three criteria. First, the woman menstrual period have not resumed, and the second one is the baby is fully or nearly fully breastfed, and the third one is the baby is less than 6 months old. So first, the woman's menstrual period are not be resumed. The resumption of means it is important indicator of woman return to fertility during breastfeeding. A woman is less likely or to ovulate. However, once a woman starts to menstruate, then the second one, baby is fully or nearly fully breastfed. Fully breastfed is term applied to the exclusive breastfeeding, almost exclusive breastfeeding, and nearly fully breastfeeding means that the vast majority of feeds given to the infant are breastfeeds. Then the third one is the baby is less than 6 months old. At 6 months of age, the baby should be receiving complementary food while continuing to the breastfeed, introduction of water, liquors and foods, liquid and foods, and reduce the amount of sucking at the breast, triggering the hormonal change and that cause ovulation and means to the resume. So this is all about the lamb lactational amenorrhea method and about the counseling of family planning. So these are really very important things. Thank you.